Hi everyone, my name is Briz and I am the Outreach Logistics Coordinator here at the Children's Museum of Houston. Welcome back to our DIY costume series. The one we're going to be working on today is a cactus. But before we get started, I want to thank our sponsors. This project has been funded by the City of Houston through the Houston Art Alliance and the Hamill Foundation. Okay, so let's get started on our project. Now, I did start one at home so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like, and we're going to finish it here together. So let's get started and I'll show you what materials we need. So these are the materials we'll be using to make our cactus shirt. I have here green and white pipe cleaners, but you can use either color or just one. These have been cut to 3 inches. A ruler, scissors, and either a green top or dress. These are the materials you're going to need to make the headband flower. A headband, tissue paper of any color, and a long pipe cleaner. We also are going to be using glue sticks and a glue gun. And do not forget that you will need adult supervision to use this. I also have down here, this is optional to have cardboard in between your shirts so the glue doesn't stick through, but some materials are thicker than others. So let's get started on our flower headband. I have 4 sheets of tissue paper here, different varieties of pink, but you can use any color for your flower. Just make sure that it is a square. We're gonna start by folding it accordion style, which means folding it from the side, front to back. Once you're done folding it down to a strip, you're gonna take one of your pipe cleaners and you're gonna fold it around the middle of it. You can fold it all the way around. And you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to cut round on the sides. That's just going to make the flower look more like petals. The more you cut, the smaller your flower is going to be, so you can decide. Now you're going to spread it out open like this. And then you're going to start pulling the tissue paper apart. Do one sheet at a time. If you try to do more than one, the tissue paper tends to tear. You're going to do the same to the other side. You're going to be folding it up to one side and leave the other side flat, because this is the part you're going to be gluing down on your headband. Now you need your headband and your glue gun. You're going to be putting some glue on the green part of your flower. And then you're going to glue it down. Hold it for a few seconds to give it enough time to dry. If you need to add more, you feel free to do so. And now we're done with our flower headband. We're gonna move on to our Cactus T-Shirt. So here we're gonna get started with our Cactus T-Shirt and adding the needles to the shirt. Now, I've already placed a cardboard piece in between the shirt so the glue doesn't go through, but remember, you will still need adult supervision to use the glue gun. So I'm going to start gluing the needles all over the shirt. This is the easy part. As you're gluing down your needles, you're going to be folding them in half and gluing the center, like so. And this is the part you're going to stick on your shirt. You can have them face down or up or sticking straight out. As you can see, you're going to be putting on the needles individually. You can do as many or as little as you like, but this is going to take some time. As you can see, I am now done with my shirt. I added needles all the way around, and remember, you can use a green shirt or a green dress to recreate it. You can also add flowers to the sides. You can use butcher paper to make a flower pot at the bottom. You can really make this your own. And if you try to recreate it at home, please tag us at CM Houston on social media so we can see your project. Have a happy Halloween.